Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix video can't be posted on Instagram. So guys, if you're using Instagram on iPhone or on Android phone, and when you want to upload any reel or want to upload any story on your Instagram and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen. And guys, now you have to open your settings firstly, and after opening your settings you have to click on your Wi-Fi connection. So guys, make sure that you have connected with Wi-Fi. If not, you need to connect it, and if you're using mobile data, make sure that you have select 4G or 5G network on your device. And now you have to scroll down, click on general and click on VPN and device management. So guys, from here you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any kind of VPN, simply you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this you have to go back, and after this you need to reset your network settings from here, as you can see. And guys, after doing this you have to go back. So guys, now you have to open your app store if you're using iPhone, and if you're using Android phone you have to open Play Store in that phone, and here you need to search Instagram. So guys, after searching Instagram you need to open your Instagram app, and guys, you need to update your app, and after doing update your problem will be fixed and you will be able to upload any reel on your device. So guys, after doing all these settings, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your settings again, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and from here you have to find Instagram. So guys, after finding Instagram you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix this problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.